Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following me for any amount of time, at this point you probably remember around 6 months ago I ended up trying out a perm and it was a complete disaster. I made a video about it, ranting about how disappointed I was with the final product, and today I want to clear up anything that has happened between that perm and my hair now. I've had people ask me how my hair is. Obviously it looks better. If you've seen my last video that I uploaded, you see that it looks better now. But I'm just going to go into detail everything that I did and how things have changed since then. First, if you have not seen the video that I'm talking about, I will leave it on one of the cards above. And don't forget to subscribe and like this channel if you want to see future updates on my hair and other things beauty and fitness. So taking it back, I first got my hair permed on November 2nd, I believe. And the original video I uploaded was about 3 weeks later afterwards, and I was very unhappy because my hair was looking completely straight and it just was not what I had paid for. This curl right now, I don't have any product in my hair. I'm gonna get super close to the camera. I don't have any product in my hair. I just washed it today, but this is a perm that was done 3 months ago. I got this redone for a play that I was in back at the end of March. So obviously this turned out a lot better than the last one. You have a 3-week difference in the first video, and this is a 3-month difference from the original perm, and it still holds curl beautifully even on the second and third, even fourth, fifth days without washing it. It still looks just as curly, and it is just overall better than the original perm that I got. You might be wondering, what's the difference? Did it turn out that you were just not taking care of your hair? Did they do it the right way? What changed? So back when I got this redone, I was really scared to do it just because of how terrible the first one turned out, but they really wanted me to have curly hair for the play that I was in, so I agreed to it. I went to a different salon and I had just an entirely different experience with the lady who permed my hair at this point. She messaged me back on Facebook pretty quickly and asked me, you know, what type of perm do you want? Can you call me so you can give me more information about it? So I did. We had a basically phone consultation about what kind of perm do you want? Do you know how long that'll take? Like, are you okay with what's going to happen to you? How long is your hair? Basically me just giving her any information she would need to be prepared to treat my hair with the perming solution. In this salon, it was so cute. It was actually prettier than the other salon, because I remember mentioning in my other video how beautiful the other one was, but this was so much better. I came in, sat down, she was so nice. She actually got me in first in the morning because the perms take so long that I could be out and still have the day ahead of me to do things if I needed to. The first thing that was different is that she rolled my hair in still the perm rods like the last time, but it felt a lot tighter than the last time. Second thing that was different is she actually used 2 boxes of the perming solution on my hair, whereas the first time they only used 1. Now obviously my hair was a little bit shorter the first time I got it done, but it was not short enough that 1 box of perming solution was going to completely take care of my whole head. So I think that really contributed to the fact that my curls are still holding after 3 months, is that she used 2 boxes. Another thing that I experienced was that she let the neutralizer stay in the proper amount of time. The first time I had my hair done, the lady just put the neutralizer in and then rinsed my hair back out, but she actually let it sit the proper amount of time, which is between 5 and 10 minutes. So again, like, everything was just better. I trusted this lady so much more because I felt like I was a priority to her. I was the only one in the salon, so obviously, yeah, she kind of had to pay attention to me. But I feel like the previous salon I'd been at, I wouldn't have got that feel from. They just all seemed like they were in a rush, and this woman seemed like she actually wanted my hair to look good. And I'm glad she did, because I'm really in love with this perm. I'm trying to decide right now if I want to go back in 3 more months and get it redone, or if I want to dye my hair, do a little something different with it. But with this being the result of just 3 months, I honestly feel like this may end up lasting more than 6 months. I would also like to mention the fact that at my first perm, I paid $75 for that to get done, using only 1 box of perming solution and coming out with a terrible result, whereas I only paid, I believe, $65 for this perm with the 2 boxes and a great experience and a great result. So I guess just a warning to anyone who is wanting to get a perm: make sure you do your research with the salon you're going to go to. Make sure you feel comfortable with the stylist who is going to be perming your hair, and just really go in knowing what you want. If anyone would like to see a video on how I style my perm when I usually have product in it, please let me know in the description box. And again, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so you can be notified whenever I do more videos like this talking about my hair and the crazy journey that it's been on for the past 6 months, and the journey that it's going to continue on whenever I decide if I dye it or if I perm it again. So I will see you all in the next video. I hope you have an awesome day or night depending on where you are, and thanks for watching.